parang medyo shaky sila in this game. In terms of unforced errors, like set number 110 unforced errors, that's a lot.
Yeah.
That's almost half a set given away na points.
Furuta to her middle. Back row, Galang unpacks.
I knew it. I saw her backing, approaching.
Don't want to be too complacent here if you're Cherry Tigo. As Galang with a put away.
And I've been waiting for Nabor to set it at
A
the
while
back.
ago about Cherry Tigo, working with her conversion. We're seeing the conversion happen right before our eyes. Nierva to Galang. Ooh.
And the crossover.
And just like that, first set goes to the Cherry Tigo crossovers.
Mga lapses lang sa meter.
You don't want to give confidence for Kobe Shinwa kasi medyo out of rhythm na rin sila eh. But one player who has a lot of rhythm in this game is
And
number 10.
confidence, yeah.
Signal, ang dami nilang binitawan na atake from Combi. But I guess the defense hindi nakaka-adjust agad sa mga ganong butas.
Ball still alive. Nabor to Galang.
Over-received. Back to Galang. She has been on fire.
But this time, Cherry Tigo getting the lead early versus when they did during the first set.
And they're maintaining that lead. Nabor, back to Robles. And G. Aragalang. Negrito to Gemma.
Galanza, well read by
22 serving, 20 serving, Jasmine Nabor.
Oh, Jen Nierva not giving any inch as Galang scores on the cross court.
Dahil kanina ang laki na ng lamang ng Creamline, Cherry Tigo slowly coming to life here.
And no surprise there. Right now, Cherry Tigo is the best blocker in this invitational series.
I'm sure Aimee Hernandez is taller than the middle blocker of Kobe Shinwa.
Exactly what you said. Nata-challenge na yung receiving dito ng Kobe. Combination play for Ara G.
Aragalang combination.
What a serve for Gemma. Galang ties it up at 22. Back set. Galang breaking the barrier.
Aragalang into
And I think Galang,
Grito and MG are back in.
serving for Queen.
Nabor. Galang. What an angle she found.
Hand of Gumabaw.
vet moves by Galang.
Coffee Thunderbells, the strong start that Franny was talking about was that great first set that they had. Aragalang on the left pin. Jen will reverse it back to Ara. There. And
2-point Creamline lead. Galang has been silenced, but now looking to make some noise.
12.
You there.
Nierva's trying to cover that middle, and this time Aragalang will not be denied on that swing. They easily take the first set after.
Gemma Galanza. Serving for Queen.
Zakarandang.
Good dig by Torres.
Valdez neutralized. Galang elevates and scores.
The Galang this time coming from the left pin.
Down one. Perfect pass from Jen. Galang gets a block touch. It was in anyway.
Let's receive. Back to Galang they go for back-to-back points.
You know, sometimes teams who are
Not as big as they were able to build in the first 2 sets.
Baron. Hernandez for the save. That one out by Galang in the recent on tour. And I got the chance to actually cover her back when I was still courtside with them.
Right.
At ang lakas talaga ni Ces Robles. I remember just one kwento about her na siya yung pinakamalakas talaga magbuhat sa mga players.
I mean, not just in terms of skill. She's known to be
20 serving 24. Negrito to Panaga. Nierva to Galang. Off speed.
Off-speed shot. Galang.
Been scoring off those kill blocks. But this time, Aragalang finding a way to avoid.
Sharp serve. Galang
Yes.
explodes.
Aragalang, it's
Her blocks and her tenacity. Nabor, Galang. De Jesus was there. Gemma from the back. Nierva sets that up for Galang once more.
to Kobe Shinwa.
Hinanap din natin, like you said, Phil, yung ingay
Yes.
sa Kobe Shinwa, yung joy.
Joy, that's it. Yung happy playing lang nila.
Jaime Hernandez diving. Galang says, let's give a free ball. And somehow, she scores.
No look drop ball here.
But you can see Cherry Tigo really out hustling the Creamline Cool Smashers here. Nabor to Galang.
And they bounce back for this set against Cherry as Pang serves the ball.
Thanks for that, Ai. And you're right, you know, we hope no one injures themselves during this very short series.
Karandang keeps it up. Free ball. A lot of confusion here. The ball will send it up to Robles. Okay, was there for the down the line attack. Go will send it to Santiago. Pauline was up for it. Galang from behind the line scores, and they get 7 set points.
Stat line of Aimee, impressive game so far. Furuta, tough back set. Another drop ball. Galang with quick reflexes to save it. Back to the opposite side, Ishikawa. Galang off speed.
This is the save.
3-point to Cherry Tigo.
Ooh, service ace meanwhile for Ara Galang.
Galanza with a serve.
Short serve for Gemma. Back set, opposite hit. Good defense there for Creamline. Oh, Ara Galang.
Place shot from
Just
Galang.
setting it over in zone 5.
Tied up 3.
That was like calf yesterday against Kobe
yeah.
Shinwa. So many points off those corner pockets. Maranyo keeps it up. Galang will send it to the other side. They are up 6. Ooh, that's very high for Santiago. That's so smart.
Young niece.
Good first pass. Yasuma. You know, I was talking about it when explaining set 3. The Grito. Getting creative there. Galang, one-on-one.
Goodness.
No problem.
Very deceiving attack by Ara Galang.
Over received. Aimee with the dump. Back set to Kate. Balik kay Kate. Princess takes it. Chance ball will be given, down 7 here. Baba para kay Nogales.
Great set.
Jump set, which Jen Nierva loves to do. Aragalang obliges with...
Galang above the block. Yasuma. Blockings for Cherry Tigo working to their advantage.
Some teams, sometimes Cherry or Creamline, they have a slow start, I would say, but it all will boil down to that finishing kick at the end. That's a good set.
Galang from the opposite side.
You just knew that was going to be a point for the Cherry Tigo crossovers.
Kabahan na sila pag gumalaw siya dyan.
Parang Ceballos. Nabor pushing Abby, goes to Ara. Oh, nagkatinginan si Chai at si Go.
Meanwhile, for Cherry Tigo, right now we're not seeing the same intensity as we've seen in the finals.
Maybe that block could get it going for the crossovers. Aragalang and her...
Galang.
Oh,
Diskarte bang usapan?
yes. And
Negrito continues to serve. Free ball for Creamline. Negrito loves these. That's why. And now let's add Jana back to the group chat. Jana?
They replaced Kurashiki. Kate in the middle. Giveaway to Zeus. Oh, but Aragalang.
Yung pagmamahal niya sa kanyang club na Cherry Tigo.
And so far, so good for Jen Nierva, but Cherry Tigo has had a difficult time to convert here.
And Jen getting a save. Galang. Picked up by Prado. Here comes Bedonia. Shut down. A much needed point for the crossovers.
Matsuda to serve. Good first pass by Jen.
more.
Galang. Yamano cross. Nierva was challenged. Chance here for Kobe. Back to the right pin. Galang na naman! And we arrive at set point.
We are tied at 11.
Ooh! Oh! Good save! Karandang! Aragalang!
I think Coach She will still accommodate dahil for the past 2 games, 21, 22 points. Parang abonado pa siya.
Tight. Grabe naman.
Parang abonado pa siya. Allowed pa siya mag-off game ng mga 3 games.
Oh, great pancake save! Labor! Peñafiel! Negrito to Valdez. Block! Valdez!
Just a 1-point ball game. It's crunch time now for both these teams.
But Nabor just giving Aragalang all the sets right now. This time she switches it up with Peñafiel. Nabor back sets to Aragalang. Great save by Torres. Cherry Tigo staying calm. Jen Nierva to the rescue.
Ooh! Kapitan yung next set because if Creamline suddenly redeems the next set, then they know it's gonna be a totally different game in terms of confidence.
Nabor scrambled on that one. Oh, great defense at the net, but good job, the hustle.
That's a good serve.
Nierva one-handed save. Over to Torres. Back set to Mitch. Kumabao tries again. Nierva.
Nierva on point.
Valdez. Robles from the back line defending. Deloria will try. What a rally we have here. Oh, Nierva tried to get creative. Chasing is Robles. Galang with a put away. No! Still very much alive. Deloria still can't finish the rally. Labor, combination play. Galang with a veteran move.
What a rally between both squads.